So where's that last guy? There. But there is a guy with a machine gun right there. Where's their guns? I want their guns. That one? Wait. So is there a button I can press to click on this? No, I gotta use this. Whoa, 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 whoa. What a dickhead. So if I search their bodies, nothing found. Yeah, I want that. What is this? Like a little wad of money, which I can't pick up. Okay, there's another body. Nothing found. There's another body. Nothing found. There's a gun. Okay, there's a toilet here as well. Nothing found. Oh, I didn't actually say nothing. Wait, what? I've got one Tommy gun bullet left. Thompson has one shot. Reload this shit, motherfucker. Bam, take them bullets. This guy had a Tommy gun. I shall take your ammo, my friend. Search their body. He had some shit, and take that as well. Now I'll take this Tommy gun back and reload. I don't know where. I'm guessing he's in here. No, it's locked. In here. That's locked as well. So he must be in this back room. No, he's right there. Anyone else in there? Nope.
Get up, Sam. It's over. He really went to work on you, buddy. Let's go. It's nothing. You'll be all right. Doctor will put you back together again. You're tough as nails.
Oh, babushka.
Oh, shit.
No! See how it goes, ow! And then I can't attack. That's what I was talking about earlier. How fucking dumb it is. Ow! And then you can't attack. Now I gotta watch this fucking cutscene again. And there's no... Okay, I skipped it. I didn't know I could skip it. This car. This is the one I was on about. I'm doing this. I didn't see this here a minute ago. This is the one I was on about. This mission, I had to chase this guy, and then I went to a fucking like little rundown shanty thing after chasing him, and then I walked in a house. I remember walking in a house, and then fuck off, little dog. I remember walking in some house thing where he pulls up, and then I swear he's got a shotgun or something. I don't want to fall off. Right, so if I empty my hands. Oh no, I might as well just shoot in the face anyway, aren't I? Wow, what the fuck? He shot me. Okay. I'll take that. And I'll use it. Actually no, I got the Tommy gun here, in it. Whoa. Okay. That was annoying. This one, then nothing found. Nothing found. Pick this up. There was nothing in that room down there. Wait, where's that Magnum? I'm using this. Whoa, I didn't want to do that. What the hell did I just do then? Like a fucking roll or something? Oh, that wasn't very fun. That was not great. Hey, you can roll. You can roll by double tapping left or right. Didn't know that. How would I have? Yeah, take that. Yeah, take the Magnum, that'll do. I just keep picking up Magnum and dashing on the floor. Oh, I didn't reload.
Get up, Sam. It's over.
Skip that shit. Nothing found. Detective Special. I need some health. Is there any health around? I don't know how you get health in this game. Little medipacks lying around. Let me have a look in this room. Nothing? There's nothing in here. Let me reload everything. And I'm going to shoot this bottle. Because if you shoot this bottle right here, nothing happens to it. You see? Magic. I just made that up. Off the top of my fucking head. Off the flow. Off the dough. Alright, let's go.
That's it. I'll get you back in the car. Everything will be okay.
Don't move, scumbag, or I'll fill you with holes. Come on, just try it. You won't get past me.
Sure thing, buddy.
Looks like an older version
just
of the guy
stay cool.
from
Everything's okay.
Bully.
Just go. No problem.
Just try it.
No. God. Doe. Get him.
Good luck trying to drive that. Go! I blew his wheels out. How fucking funny. I preemptively blew his wheels out because I didn't want to have to try and deal with that. There he is. I can see him. Well, now his fucking... Now his wheels are fine. I can't shoot. Yeah, this is a high-speed chase. Can I not just pop him in the head from here? Okay, so you can't drive fast and shoot at the same time, which is annoying. This is less epic than I remember. I thought that sign was just going to stop me in my tracks. I think I just got to follow him. I'm just going to reload everything pretty much to get ready for this punk to try and fuck me up. Okay, I still got my Thompson. Okay, this guy's got stuck on hands. Oh, the epicness. It's too much for me to handle. I can't handle. Even music stopped. The music couldn't handle it. Tokyo Drift. Whoa. I made it. I made it. Drift, motherfucker. You see that? Initial D. This is our mountain drifting section. Just gonna hook my wheel on the inside. Oh shit! Initial D, motherfuckers. Run! Okay, that flopped. Go, you stupid old banger. I can't believe the music stopped. Just gave up. Can I even actually take him out? Like, what's he got? Like bulletproof glass behind him or something? Because I can't even shoot him, and his head is quite clearly out in the open. Can't even break his tires. Where is it? There's my Thompson. Just gotta wait for him to pull over. I know he pulls over at one point and goes towards his house and runs inside. This is a high-speed chase right here. 30 miles per hour. I don't know how many kphs that is, but I'm guessing a lot, because this is high-speed raw action right here. Maybe shooting his tires out at the beginning kind of fucked it up, because now he's just driving super slow. And I know that that car actually was pretty fucking fast, I remember. So I was pretty hyped when I got it. I was like, wow, I remember this car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. But the Iron Horse car, if that's what it's called, I can't remember. The speed goes off the speedometer thing. It goes round the speedometer again. Like the little needle on the speedometer, on the speed gauge, goes round all the way to 160 and then carries on going, and you can go to like 300 and something miles an hour. I remember. Hook the wheels in the guy like the initial D. Oh my god. I have to make this as intense as I can, because this is not very intense. Initial D, motherfucker. Is he taking a shortcut, or is he just off-roading it? Come on, mate, you're behind me now. Oh, it's neck and neck. Slipstream. Wham! Hook it in the gutter again. Wham! Oh, shit. Did you see that skill? Oh, they don't get out of the way for me. They get out of the way for him, though. Is this where he pulls up? Wait, did we just go around in circles? We just went around in circles, but Paulie is not there anymore, and neither is Sam. Wait, there. Surely, I remember him